Hi there, my name is Marissa Wynn, and I'm going to walk you guys through how to find areas in your Coach Online office where you can have a lot of your questions answered. That's what I get asked often from new coaches. How can they navigate? Where can they go? It might be overwhelming. So going to give you 4 places in under 2 minutes. So number 1, we are going to log in, and this is what you're going to see. What a lot of people forget is that there's something called message boards. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to hover over here, okay? Hover over message boards. I'm going to click that. And what it's going to bring up is a plethora of information. Now, they're going to be categorized. And remember, you can go all the way down here where it says Beach Body Coach Forums, and you can click that, and that's going to be by coaches. So a lot of things with specific questions, or maybe people looking for Success Net partners or ways to build their business, things like that. That's a really great area to find information. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here over Coach, hover over Coach, drop down to Coach Online Office. This is going to log me into my Coach Online office. So this is going to be my home board. The second place I want to take you is to your Coach Basics. So I'm going to hover over News and Training. Going to go down to Training, click that. And then what it's going to pull up is the training activities for the Beachbody Coach Online Basics. I've covered this in another video in more detail, so make sure that you guys click through that and go through there. This is the second spot you can find lots of information. Okay, spot number 3, we're going to go back to the home, and we are going to scroll all the way down here where you can see where I'm hovering over FAQ at the bottom. Click FAQ. Now, this is something that I don't think is used often enough, and it's something that I use all the time, especially when I was a brand new coach. You can type in anything that you want in here, and it's going to bring you up tons of information on it. So say if you have a question about what's your requirement for Emerald rank, click that. It's going to give you the FAQ number, so if you need to share that with your team, but also you're going to be able to go through, click it, and it's going to give you the drop down for all of the information from there. Okay, so that's number 3. And the fourth area is going to be coach relations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here, hover over Contact Us. What it's going to bring up here is something called Coach Relations. You can call Coach Relations, or I usually prefer to do online chat. Remember, they are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You're going to input your information here, click Submit, and you will be given a live person to talk to via online. Another reason why I love this is because once you're finished and the call is ended, then they email you your chat record so you can go back through and review what was discussed. So I hope that helps, and I hope that that answers a lot of questions on where you can go when you're looking for certain things on here. Okay? Thanks so much, guys.